Magical tornadoes. The blue vortex tornado crackles with intense glowing plasma and raw electrical energy. The fire tornado is a terrifying pillar of roaring flames and scorching heat that consumes everything in its path. The dust devil whirls dry sand and dirt across the arid desert landscape under the blazing sun. The water tornado, or waterspout, violently churns ocean waves into a towering column of sea spray. The snow tornado whips blinding white powder into a fierce and freezing winter blizzard. The ice tornado spins razor-sharp frozen shards and hail with devastating, frigid force. The rainbow tornado shimmers with a beautiful, prismatic spectrum of colors against a moody sky. The leaf tornado swirls with vibrant autumn foliage, sweeping through the forest like a seasonal storm. The flower tornado is a beautiful yet chaotic cyclone of colorful petals dancing through the air. The aurora tornado illuminates the dark night sky with ethereal, swirling ribbons of green and purple light.